Pallet carrier type intelligent production line for pipe fabrication. This intelligent production line is developed based on the intelligent solution for pallet carrier type intelligent production line for pipe fabrication. Intelligent solution for pallet carrier type intelligent production line for pipe fabrication to realize intellectualization of all the processes of pipe fabrication by using special pallets as pipe carriers. This intelligent solution is another pioneering work of QSPT in the industrial pipe industry, which is creative and advanced. 1. Overview of the intelligent production line. This intelligent production line is composed of 6 control levels: field level FL, programmable logic controller PLC, intelligent controlling system SCADA, intelligent management system IMS, manufacturing execution system MES, and enterprise resource planning ERP. The intelligent production line is composed of 7 parts: central controlling ring CCR, detailed drawing design system for piping DDS, intelligent management system for production line INS, intelligent controlling system for production line ICS, field monitoring system FMS, intelligent displaying system IDs, intelligent equipment system IES. The intelligent production line adopts a third-party detailed drawing design software for detailed drawing design of school piece. The intelligent production line adopts the intelligent management system software IMS independently developed by QSPT for process management. The intelligent production line adopts the intelligent control system ICS developed by QSPT based on Siemens Wink for process control. 2. Centralized control of intelligent production line. The intelligent production line is centrally controlled by operators in the central controlling room. The central controlling room is usually designed with an overhead transparent glass structure, which provides a clear view of the intelligent production line indoors. 3. Manual code scanning and intelligent length measurement of pipes. For link mechanism automatically forwarding the now one workstation, manually push the pipe to the V-shaped notch, manually scan codes to collect pipe information. Automatic pipe length measurement using the length measuring system. Longitudinal conveying of pipes in the conveying system. For intelligent storage and code printing of pipes. Pipe lifting and storage using stacker crane. Inclined rack pipe SD storage. Pipe warehousing out and dropping using stacker crane. Pipe material preparation and code printing using stacker crane. Pipe descending and distributing using stacker crane. 5. Intelligent pipe length measurement and intelligent beveling. Push mechanism for pushing the pipe forward from end of the pipe. Length measurement mechanism for measuring the length at the front part of the pipe. Cutting and beveling machine for cutting and beveling. Longitudinal conveying out of straight pipe using the conveying system. Straight pipe lifting using the truss manipulator. 6. Intelligent lifting and polishing of straight pipe. Longitudinal conveying in a straight pipe using the conveying system. Robot bevel grinding at one end of straight pipe. Conveyor system straight pipe rotation and turning. Robot beveling and polishing at the other end of straight pipe. Straight pipe lifting using the truss manipulator. Seven. Pipe manual loading, elbow loading module. Loading machine, manual elbow loading. Loading station elbow module loading. Eight. Intelligent grinding and storage of pipe. AGV trolley elbow module conveying. Bevel polishing center circular table rotation. Robot elbow bevel grinding. A GB stock in transportation of pipe fittings pallet. Pipe fittings pallet are transported to pipe fittings 3D warehouse. 9. Intelligent warehousing out and removing from the pallet of pipe. The elbow module sends the pipes out of the 3D warehouse. Elbow module RGV rotary convey. Pallet detachment machine elbow module pallet detachment. Number 10. Intelligent lifting and clamping of pipe fittings. Left pipe lifting using truss manipulator. Clamp the left pipe of the fitting up center tailstock. Vertical flange of pipe pallet detachment machine. Right pipe lifting using truss manipulator. Clamp the right pipe of the fitting up center head. 11. Intelligent fitting up and root welding for short piping spools. Straight pipe lifting using truss manipulator. Inner chuck tensioning straight pipe right end. Visual plus head frame right weld fitting up. Visual plus robot right weld spot weld. Visual plus robot right weld root welding. The robot moves towards the left weld. Visual plus tail frame left weld fitting up. Visual plus robot left weld spot weld. Visual plus robot left weld root welding. Robot moves to the right standby position. Lifting of truss manipulator spool piece. 12. Intelligent filling and cap welding for short piping spools. Chuck clamp the right end of the pipe spool. Visual right weld position detection. Robot right weld filling and cap welding. The robot moves towards the left weld. Visual left weld position detection. Robot left weld filling and saw. Robot returns to the right standby position. 13. Intelligent feeding up and root welding for long piping spools. Robot left weld backing weld. Lifting of truss manipulator long piping spools. 14. Intelligent filling and cap welding for long piping spools. Visual right weld position detection. Visual plus special machine right weld filling and cap welding. Visual left weld position detection. Visual plus special machine left weld filling and cap welding. Automatic return of cantilever welding trolley. Lifting of truss manipulator long spool piece. A GV trolley long spool piece conveying. 15. Intelligent lifting and doctor detection for piping spools. Long spool piece lifting using a truss manipulator. DR detection center long pipe spools clamping. DR detection of the left weld of long piping spools. DR inspection of the right weld of long piping spools. Lifting the long spool piece using a truss manipulator. 16. Three-dimensional pipe spool crane lifting and mechanical fitting up. Lifting of long pipe spools using the workshop traveling crane. Three-dimensional pipe spool fitting up at 3D fitting up center. Three-dimensional pipe spool lifting using the workshop traveling crane. 17. Lifting of three-dimensional pipe spoolers in the traveling crane. Code scanning and welding. Three-dimensional welding center right seam welding. Workshop crane three-dimensional pipe spool turning. Three-dimensional welding center left seam welding. Three-dimensional pipe spool lifting using the workshop traveling crane. 18. Demolding and temporary storage of pipe spools and elbows. Workshop traveling crane elbow manual demolding. AGV trolley elbow module returning. Overview of the intelligent solution for pipe fabrication. The intelligent solutions for pipe fabrication launched by QSPT include Fully intelligent solution for pipe fabrication, intelligentization of all the processes. Semi-intelligent solution for pipe fabrication, intelligentization of core processes, or intelligentization of the front half processes. Fully intelligent solutions for pipe fabrication. Modular carrier type fully intelligent solution for pipe fabrication. Full intelligent solution for pallet carrier type pipe fabrication is animation. Semi-intelligent solution for pipe fabrication. Intelligent solution for core processes, including storage, cutting, beveling, and welding code scanning and program calling. Intelligent solution for first half processes, including storage, cutting, beveling, and conveying. For further information, please contact the marketing personnel at QSPT.